Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this drone that I got sent out for review. Let me show you how it looks like. This is a TT19 drone with 1080 pixels camera for adults, okay? This is a 270 degrees obstacle avoidance function, and it has a brushless motor, level 3 wind resistance, and it has a foldable quadcopter mini drone for beginners. This one comes in a color green, but I've seen that they also come in color orange. Okay, so here are all the things that are included in the box. Now see how it works.
Comes with a screwdriver. These ones are going to each of the blades. That one can avoid to damage the blades in case the drone falls. It's a charger. It's a regular USB to Type-C. And you can put some blades replacements with the screws. Now the drone has a slot here. It is the battery. In case the battery needs more power, you can plug this Type-C and then to a power bank or a power brick to straight to the wall. Easy. The remote. It needs 3 AA batteries. See the slot for the phone. Now it comes with these protectors for the blades. This. There you go. You're ready. It's too easy.
As you can see, this drone is very good for beginners, and also the setup was really simple. The 4K camera, it is a very nice and surprisingly very nice, clear and neat video. And you can see that there is in fact the obstacle avoidance, and it has a stable flight. It has been very nice to use this drone, and besides it has this plus design that it is foldable and it is very convenient to carry, and it includes this case to protect it when you carry it to the different places.
Ben's taking it.